We spend a lot of time in our vehicles, and when you're in it, you want to make sure you're breathing clean air. So you want to make sure to check your cabin filter. It's something I know a lot of people neglect. Honestly, I remember when I first started driving and getting into cars, I didn't even know about these things. I didn't even know they existed. Like, no one ever told me about cabin filters. But anyway, here we are. We have a 2017 Ram 1500, and I'm about to go on a long road trip. So I thought, I think we're overdue for a new cabin air filter. Gotta make sure that me, the wife, and the kid can all breathe. And I got this Breathe Easy off of Amazon, and it's supposed to be pretty good. It's got activated charcoal in it. So I think this seems like a better cabin filter overall than a lot of other ones. So we're gonna try it out. But anyway, this video is to show you how to install it where it is. So usually it is behind the glove box, not this top part, because not all Rams have that, but the actual glove box. You just open it up, and hopefully you can see there's like a little tab right there, and there's one on the other side, and it kind of hangs onto here. All you do is just push in. See how that tab extends out? And you may need to actually pull this out so you can see it, just one of those like screw holes. Careful, because it is on a lanyard. There we go. So once you got that glove box down, that is where your cabin air filter is. You can see the airflow goes from the top down to the bottom. And to get to it, it gives you a little tip right here. It has that little arrow pointing that way. It doesn't mean push that way. There's a little tab right there. And so you actually pull that tab in, pull out same time. And there you go. Just like that. And actually, you can see there's one of those tabs on each side, but I managed to get out with just pushing the one tab in. There is the filter. Just pull, ooh, a lot of dust. Oh man, I am so overdue on this one. You just kind of have to angle it out. Oh yeah, woo, wow, that is bad. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh man. We've been breathing in that crap for so long. Look at this. Look at that. All right, and then just grab your new filter. Sometimes they are wrapped in plastic, sometimes they are not. And as you can see, that is the same filter. Now, they all will show you right there what direction airflow is. If you already forgot, if you took out the old air filter, did pay attention, don't worry, because this shows you right here. So the airflow goes down, and it makes sense because you want to be able to read it. If it was like this, that would not make sense. And then just the reverse of what you did. I don't really even know why I'm showing you this on video. It pretty much makes sense. Once it's slid in all the way, this side has kind of got that cable sort of in the way. There we go. Once you kind of got that settled in and right up, just push till it snaps in. Glove box literally just reversed. Just make sure to grab the lanyard piece, pull that out, put these into those little hooks or hinges. Try not to lose the lanyard like I just did. And just squeeze, pop it in, and then lanyard back in. And that's it. You're done. You can now breathe easy. And no, I'm not sponsored in any way, so I actually paid for this. But I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description down below in case you want the same one. With that, hope this video helped. Hope you're breathing better now. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you out on the road.